Imagine this. You walk into a room full of people. Everyone is chatting, laughing, and having a great time. You stand alone against the wall, checking your phone, terrified to make eye contact. Why? Because you are afraid that if someone talks to you, your mind will go blank. Sound familiar? Stop hiding. It is time to speak up. Welcome to Focus English, the podcast. In the next 15 minutes, we are going to destroy that fear. We're covering 30 essential phrases for daily conversation. We'll master small talk, learn how to break the ice, and fix those awkward silences. Henry, grab your coffee. We're diving in immediately.
Whoa, fast start. I love it. Let's do this.
No time to waste. Close your eyes, listeners. We are jumping straight into a scenario. You are standing in a busy coffee shop. The line is long, the coffee machine is steaming, and you are bored. You turn to the stranger next to you. Henry, you are the stranger. Start a conversation with me. Go.
Okay, right now. Hello.
Hi there. Crazy weather today, isn't it? I nearly got soaked walking here.
Yes, water is falling from the sky. Very wet.
It certainly is. I don't mind the rain, though. It's good for staying indoors with a book. Do you live around here?
Live? Yes, my house is that way. I am new to this city.
Oh, welcome. Where did you move from?
I moved from Spain. It is sunny there.
Oh, Spain. I've always wanted to visit. Is this your first time in England?
First time. The food is big. The sandwiches are huge.
We do love our portions. So, what brings you to this coffee shop? Just hiding from the rain?
Yes, and I like the smell. It smells like happiness.
That is a beautiful way to put it. Smells like happiness. I like that. Well, Henry from Spain, it was lovely meeting you. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. You too.
And pause. Henry, you survived.
Oh, I survived. But Isabella, I felt a bit silly. Water is falling from the sky? Really?
You communicated, and that is the most important thing. But to sound more like a native speaker, we need to upgrade your vocabulary. Today, we are focusing on 6 dynamic keywords. The first one is small talk. That is exactly what we just did. Light, easy conversation.
Small talk. Okay, and you started to chat very easily. You said crazy weather today.
Yes, that is an icebreaker, our second keyword. An icebreaker is a simple sentence used to start a conversation, to make people feel relaxed. Let's look at the first group of phrases you can use instead of talking about falling water.
Please give me better phrases.
Group 1, the starters. Long line, isn't it? Perfect for waiting. Do you come here often? A classic, friendly question. Is this seat taken? If you are in a cafe and want to sit down. Have you been waiting long? Crazy weather, right?
Those are very simple. Even I can remember crazy weather. But what if I want to know more about the person? I was trying to ask about her life, but I didn't know how.
That brings us to group 2, personal questions. This is how you find out about their hobbies, our third keyword. What do you do for a living? Asking about work. Are you from around here? Asking about location. Where are you from originally? Do you have any fun plans for the weekend? What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time? That is great for finding out about hobbies. I can ask if they like football or video games.
Exactly. And when they answer, you cannot just stay silent. You need to show you're listening. We call this Group 3, reactions.
Reactions? Like jumping?
No, verbal reactions. That's so interesting. Wow, really? I didn't know that. Tell me more. Oh, I see. That sounds amazing.
Tell me more? I like that. It makes the other person feel important.
Precisely. Now, let's say you are enjoying the chat. You want to suggest meeting again. This involves our keyword schedule, managing time. Group 4 is making plans. We should grab a coffee sometime. Are you free next week? Let's exchange numbers. Do you want to join us?
We should grab a coffee sometime. This is my favorite phrase. It sounds so cool.
It is very common. Now, what happens if you are friends with someone but you haven't seen them in a long time?
I want to talk to them. I want news.
You want to catch up. This is our 5th keyword. It means to share the latest news. Group 5 is reconnecting. It's been ages. How have you been? Long time no see. We really need to catch up soon. What have you been up to? How's your family doing?
It's been ages. I hear this in movies all the time. Now I know how to use it.
Wonderful. Finally, we have the most difficult part, ending the conversation. Sometimes you're tired or you have to go. If you leave wrong, it feels awkward, our 6th keyword.
I hate awkward goodbyes. I usually just run away.
Don't run. Use Group 6, polite exits. It was nice meeting you. I have to run, but I'll see you later. I have an appointment in 10 minutes. Enjoy your day. Let's keep in touch. Take care.
I have to run. That is honest. I do like to run.
In this context, it just means you're in a hurry. Okay, Henry, that's 30 phrases. We've covered starters, personal questions, reactions, plans, catching up, and exits. That's a lot of information for your brain.
It is a big sandwich of English. I need to eat it slowly.
Exactly. So let's practice it slowly together. Listeners, this is the most important part of the podcast. Do not just listen to us. I want you to speak out loud. Find a mirror or just speak to your cat. Henry, I want you to repeat every phrase exactly as I say it. Focus on your pronunciation.
Okay, Isabella. I am ready. My cat is listening too.
Great. Let's start with starters. Repeat after me. Long line, isn't it?
Long line, isn't it?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
Good energy. Now, personal questions. What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
Are you from around here?
Are you from around here?
Where are you from originally?
Where are you from originally?
Excellent. Now let's add some emotion. Reactions. Sound surprised. Wow, really?
Wow, really?
That's so interesting.
That's so interesting.
Tell me more.
Tell me more.
Fantastic. Now making plans. Sound friendly. We should grab a coffee sometime.
We should grab a coffee sometime.
Are you free next week?
Are you free next week?
Let's exchange numbers.
Let's exchange numbers.
Great. Now reconnecting. Use a warm voice. It's been ages. How have you been?
It's been ages. How have you been?
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
We really need to catch up soon.
We really need to catch up soon.
And finally, polite exits. It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you.
I have to run, but I'll see you later.
I have to run, but I'll see you later.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Perfect. Henry, your intonation is getting so much better. You sound natural, not like a robot.
Thank you. Repeating after you helps a lot. It sticks in my head like gum.
Now, we have the phrases, but real life is messy. Sometimes you use a phrase and then disaster. Something goes wrong.
Disaster? Like a fire?
No, Henry, a conversation disaster. For example, you ask a question and the person speaks very, very fast, or maybe they use a word you don't know. It happens to everyone, even experts.
Yes, when people speak fast, I panic. I just smile and nod. But maybe they are saying, I hate you, and I am smiling like a fool.
Exactly. That is dangerous. You need emergency phrases to fix the problem. Let's try a scenario. Imagine I am speaking very fast. So do you think the economy is going to get better this year?
Economy? Better? I am sorry, I do not understand.
See, you are confused. Instead of just nodding, you need to stop me. You can say, could you speak a little more slowly, please? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Or, do you mind repeating that?
I didn't catch that. That sounds natural, like I didn't catch a ball.
Exactly. Now, try another problem. You are talking and suddenly you forget the word. You want to say, I like cooking, but you forget the word cooking.
I freeze. I say, I like making hot food.
You can describe it, but you can also use this phrase, what's the word I'm looking for? Or, how do you say, and then point or describe it.
How do you say the thing with fire and pans?
Cooking. See, it works. Now, the last problem, the awkward silence. You have nothing left to say. The silence is heavy.
The scariest moment.
You need an escape route. You can use a topic change phrase. Anyway, enough about that. Have you seen any good movies lately? Or, so, do you have any plans for the weekend? Or, oh, look at the time. I actually need to get going.
Anyway, enough about that. This is powerful. It deletes the boring topic.
Yes. So, remember, ask to slow down if they are fast, ask for repetition if you don't understand, and change the topic if it is awkward. You are in control, Henry.
I am the captain of the conversation ship.
Exactly. Captain Henry. We are nearing the end of our journey today. Let's review our dynamic vocabulary one last time to lock it in.
Okay, test me one last time.
What is the light, friendly conversation we have with strangers called?
Small talk. Easy chat.
And the question or comment we use to start that chat?
An icebreaker.
If I ask what you do for fun, what am I asking about?
My hobbies.
Good. If I haven't seen you in months and we talk to share news, what are we doing?
We catch up.
Excellent. If I want to meet you and ask about your time, I am asking about your...
Schedule.
And finally, how does it feel when the conversation stops and nobody speaks?
Awkward. Very uncomfortable.
You got them all, and you learned 30 phrases to help you navigate all of these situations, from breaking the ice to saying goodbye politely. You now have the tools to be a confident speaker.
I feel much lighter, like I lost the heavy bag of worry.
That is the goal. English should be fun, not stressful. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of Focus English. We hope you feel ready to go out and talk to someone new today.
Yes. Go to a cafe. Say hello. Ask about the weather. You can do it.
If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a 5-star review. It helps us make more lessons for you.
And now it is time for my question of the day. I want to know, what is your favorite English phrase to use? Or which phrase from today's list will you use first? Tell us in the comments below.
We love reading your comments. I will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep talking.
Bye.
Now I am going to use the phrase, I have to run and go get a nap.
Good night, Henry.